Transform your windows in one afternoon without sewing. With Traceable Designer, you won't believe how easy it is to make beautiful custom valances that look professionally designed, fit any window size, shape, or design style. This multi-style valance kit includes 3 no-sew styles, making it the perfect home decorating tool. Follow just a few easy steps to make your valance panels. Select fabric to match your decor, and then prepare your fabric section. Use the included fusible fabric backing to fuse glue to the back of your fabric section. Remove the paper to expose the glue. Next, fuse the lining to the exposed glue to complete your fabric preparation process. Fold the fabric section in half and position the small or large sizing line on the folded fabric edge. Then trace around the design form edges to create the no-sew valance center panel. To adjust the panel height, lower the design form and trace across the top edge to mark the panel height cut line. Then simply follow the trace line to cut out your valance panel. Follow the instructions for making iron-on trim and fuse the trim to your panel edges. Your valance will be ready to hang. Use a straight decorative curtain rod to hang single panel styles. Dress up your valance with a contrast fabric layer, or make side panels to hang with your center panel for a cornice style valance. Make any number of small or large valance panels to fit your window size, and layer center panels for wide window configurations. Valance side panels are made to include a rod hanging pocket. Fabric is prepared with an unlined upper fabric section. Place the design form on the lined fabric positioning marker, then trace and cut out your valance side panels. Cut the valance panel in half and follow the instructions for making a no-sew rod hanging pocket. Velcro is used on the valance panels and on the back of a wide pocket curtain rod. Simply slide the valance panels on the rod, then secure the center panels to the rod and to the Velcro on the side panels. These incredibly versatile, easy-to-use no-sew forms require no precise measuring. Valance panels maintain their beautiful design shape when adjusted on the rod. Each Traceable Designer no-sew style includes an easy, single panel option. Valances are hung using a standard curved rod. No Velcro needed. Discover limitless no-sew decorating. Make everything from easy single fabric styles to very elaborate dual fabric styles with beautiful trim and fringe combinations. Easily add height or width to panels by simply sliding the design form to adjust the size. You can also add beautiful, traceable iron-on valance accents. Use the included traceable accents to make iron-on decorations, then simply follow the numbers to iron-on designs. Whether you're making the scalloped, arched, straight, or combination valance styles, easy or advanced options, decorating large or small windows, you can always make your mark with Traceable Designer.